Make delicious burgers quickly and easily with the Andrew James Mini Burger Press. The press allows you to make 3 burgers simultaneously, so you can create tasty burgers for your barbecue or party in next to no time. Making your burgers to a uniform size and shape means that all the burgers will cook in the same amount of time, ensuring your guests are not waiting too long for their food. The grooved base gives the burger an authentic and appealing char-grilled effect. Made of die-cast aluminium with a sturdy wooden handle, this product is hard-wearing and will make a great addition to your kitchen at any time of year. We also provide you with 100 wax discs to separate your burgers and prevent them from sticking together.
The Perfect Burger Press, another innovative kitchen product from Progressive. I've been dreaming for weeks now about making the perfect burger, one that cooks evenly all the way through and fits perfectly inside a hamburger bun. And then I found it, the Perfect Burger Press. This simple tool makes me look good. It's only 3 pieces, the base, the insert/lifter, and the handle press. But there's innovation in this simple design. The base has non-skid feet to keep your work on the countertop. And it's easy to make a 1/3 pound burger with this press. No wimpy burgers for me. The handle of the press itself is comfortable and made with a non-slip material. Once you've placed the hamburger meat in the press, just grab the handle and press down on the patty to the desired thickness. Now the insert/lifter is very cool. Not only does it easily lift a pressed hamburger patty from the base, the unique dimple in the center creates a burger that cooks evenly every time. These burgers will not puff up in the middle. You've created a perfect burger. Did I mention that the Perfect Burger Press is dishwasher safe? So, whether I'm getting ready for Super Bowl Sunday or just a backyard barbecue, the Perfect Burger Press is an essential tool for my kitchen toolkit.